subbed.
Get subbed.
Don't say the.
The engine stopped.
What did you say about the light? You're not a big fan of the display?
Well, it looks like a book.
Yeah, you're still in reverse. Oh, we've got a bit of tyre squeaking. What do you think about this big plastic trim at the side with the curve?
Don't like it. Why is there an arc welder in the boot?
It's a charging cable, Dad.
Yeah, it's fine. Everything's fine down below.
Welcome back to Car Chat TV. I'm Oliver Tompkins. I'm driving in the brand new MG4, the cheapest all-electric vehicle you can buy right now. I'm not telling you my thoughts too much, but I do want to know the thoughts of a man who is widely known as my father, and he's never driven an all-electric vehicle ever. So I'm going to present him with the MG4, and I want to know what he thinks. So today, I'm on the way to Daddy's to find out what he thinks of the MG4. Okay, so I have just arrived to Dad's, and I always like to just make a little bit of effort for him. I don't know if you saw the review we did on the Audi R8. I came here and I was dressed as Tony Stark in a full spandex suit. So today I've got something a little bit different for him. You know, I thought this would be quite appropriate for our meeting. Just going to shove this on, you know, just to give him a bit of a treat, really. We need to treat him to a little bit of an outfit like this one. Okay, let's go and see how he's feeling today. Hope he's not in a mood. Oh, I can't wait to see what his face is like. Come on. Got to give you these MG keys. Hello? You're not coming in? You're gonna come solo?
Hey, Ollie.
You look nice trainers.
Yeah, but what's wrong with your jacket?
It's good, isn't it? It's a wicked jacket. Really. Come and have a look at. I've got a special car for you to come and drive today. I want you to go and have a little look at that. Since you're an MG lover, I want to get your instant thoughts. Go on, don't be shy. Get up in there. What do you think?
Very nice. Lights.
What do you think? Do you like the front? Do you like how sharp the lights are? And
yeah.
Ah.
Very contemporary.
Have you ever driven an electric vehicle before?
Never. Only a milk float.
Only a milk float. Look. I'm giving these for you so you can have a drive. Obviously, you're not going to keep the car, but you can have a go. A bit extreme? Yeah. I'll tell you what, you want to replace one of them, would you? Look at that. Right, jump in then. Listen, I want to get your thoughts on how this thing handles. And we'll cut to the car.
Okay, so what do I do?
There's no on button. So you just literally, this is your rotary gear selector with a massive P, which is easy. P for park. And then put your foot on the brake. Turn it into reverse because we've got to go backwards first.
Well, fair dues, yeah.
All right, so do that. Give it a little turn.
Where's the display going to be?
There, behind your screen. What do you... That's it. Yeah.
Oh, it's not very big, is it? Got it? No, hang on.
No, that's drive. That's forwards. We definitely... Yeah, reverse. There you go. What did you say about the light? You're not a big fan of the display?
Well, it looks like a book.
Right. That's not... Right, okay.
We're not going anywhere.
No, you got to put your foot on the accelerator then. There's a car. Whoa.
I saw it.
Jeez.
I saw it.
That's right, there we go.
Has it got reversing sensors?
It has got reversing sensors, but it doesn't have a camera. You get that on the top spec called the Trophy. So there's no camera, but got reversing sensors. Now that's it. Put it into drive. It will say down there. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're still in reverse.
Got it.
Right, there we go. Forward. Oh, steering's. I quite like the wheel.
The wheel is lovely.
The wheel is good. It's nice and big. And
feels quite responsive.
I haven't sat in. Yeah, this is the first ever time you've driven an electric vehicle, right?
Yeah.
So it's going to be interesting for you because I know you haven't had the power of that of like a Tesla or anything. So this one's quite good. It's quite progressive. I think it's 0 to 62 miles per hour. Will go right in 7.9 seconds. 7.8 seconds, I think.
The engine stopped.
There we go. And we have got a few modes on. I can put it in sport. At the moment we're in normal mode, but it's fine. It gets up quick, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It does get up quick. What do you think? Oh, a bit of sound.
It's quicker though. Feels quite firm suspension.
Yeah, it is quite well together. It's got a balance of like 50-50 rear wheel drive. It definitely has a little bit of a performance vibe to it, and kind of spirited. I like it. I prefer a little bit more tight.
Certainly, it's very nippy.
But it drives so easy. What do you think?
Yeah, it's really, really nice.
What do you think about the interior though?
The interior's, yeah, it looks good. I'm not sure if it's the top spec, is it? But
Well, I think
quality-wise, but
I don't think you can make a cheaper car. I think the cheapest one they do is the SE, which is 26,995. And then if you look at an ID3, that starts at 39k, or a Cupra Born starts at 36. You're making a massive saving, aren't you? Just compared to where else. This is the cheapest car, Dad. This is the cheapest car.
Yeah, they got to do it that way.
You get your hand on. What have you done differently with that? The display?
Well, it's sculpted into the background. It's just like a square.
It's just a block, yeah.
It's just a squared Kindle in front of your face, isn't it?
Let's put it on sport. So this is the most, the steering should stiffen up and it should be more responsive now on the accelerator pedal. Oh yeah, look, that's it. Oh, now then, oh, that's a bit better.
That is quicker, isn't it?
Yeah. But I like that they've gone rear wheel drive, and
feel the difference.
and they've got scope in the future to do a performance version of this, because this is like an MSP platform called modular scalable platform. It fits different batteries. They can throw a motor on the front as well, make it all-wheel drive. Whoa, yeah! Oh, we've got a bit of tyre squeaking! Yeah, this would be, with a little bit more power, this would be good fun, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it's quick up to 70 and then it sort of plateaus a bit, doesn't it?
You got that runner, we got that runner looking. He was like, is that an MG4? But I think they've already shipped 5,000 units this year alone. This is a popular car. It's won 9 awards. What's it? Best family electric vehicle, best small electric vehicle, best UK car of the year award. And so we've got it for a week. So I'll do a bit more of a lengthy review to see what it's all about. But so far it's kind of coming up. Good.
It's very nice.
Let's take it up on, we're up Silverstone circuit at the moment. Let's take it up here. That for the first experience of an electric vehicle, what does it feel? Does it feel?
It feels nice. It handles nicely. It's firm. Certainly quick enough.
Yeah.
How much juice have we used?
Well, I came over at 88%. What we got now? 81%. 181 miles left, it says. And this one gets it's got the 64 kilowatt hour battery. So this one, MG say 281 miles you would get. Do you think? How do you find the seats? Are the seats supportive, or they?
Yeah, it feels sporty. You know,
It's got a sporty vibe, isn't it? It has got a sporty vibe.
It's GTI, and it's GTI.
GTI vibes.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, we've just jumped out the car because I thought we'd come to Silverstone, the home of the British Grand Prix, and take it on the track. I'm joking. We've got to take it on the track. But it looks good, doesn't it? Every time I look at that, I think.
It's quite wide, isn't it? Now you look at it.
Yeah.
It reminds me of a bit of a Scirocco.
It reminds you a bit of a Sirocco vibe, does it? I think they've done a really good job, the design team, on the styling. Just adding in creases for the sake of creases. Oh look, that's open at the moment. That's the AGS, the active grille shutter, where it opens and closes to help airflow, keep the battery efficient and stuff. You only get that on the long range and the trophy. What do you think about this big plastic trim at the side with the curve?
Don't like it.
Well, I thought it adds to the form, because normally they just go around the arch, don't they? Big black bumpers around. They kind of just kept
the bumpers look better, but they'll take that off, colour code it on the GT, won't they? I like the spoiler.
Yeah, I want the actual. There's a spoiler up here on the top spec on the trophy. It's like a double. It kind of, I guess, that's a way to attach it. You could probably retrofit a new one from parts. That's the charging. Yeah, the boots. That's 363 litres.
Why is there an arc welder in the boot?
It's a charging cable, Dad. That's the granny plug, they call it. There isn't actually any space under there either. But I don't know. 363 litres. It's average. It's not as big as an ID3 or others, but you're saving a lot of money if you do go this way. Oh look, little 7-year sticker there. 7-year warranty, 80,000 miles. Would you buy one though? Are you a fan of MG? Like, would you have that on your drive, an MG branded car?
I'm not sure, it's not really big enough for me.
Nah, you are a bit
I
of a...
need the SUV one.
You're a bit of a BMW boy, aren't you, as well? Final thoughts then, sum it up.
Very nice, first car, electric I've driven, yeah.
First one ever you've driven, and so you haven't really got anything to compare it to, but...
Nothing to compare it to.
Things you like then, come on, give me 3 things.
Smooth, I like the handling, I love the steering wheel.
Right.
Don't like the dash.
Don't like the dash.
No,
You think you
no
could-
thought at all gone into that as far as I can see, but I don't know. What do people expect? It does all the bits, so...
Alright, so you liked it, especially when we put it in sport mode, your face, you had a little bit of a smile.
Yeah, it handles nice. It'd be nice to take it somewhere a little bit looser, particularly being rear-wheel drive, but...
So you think you could see it being a popular car for like older people, like families?
I don't know any old people. I can't answer that.
Right, okay. Well, your mate's got an MGB, isn't he? He loves...
Yeah, this isn't nothing like an MG4.
Oh,
is it?
all right. Well, anyway,
This
thanks.
is 70 years later technology, isn't it?
But yeah, I feel like, you know, the fact they've made it rear-wheel drive and they're making it a little bit more sporty, because the other MGs we've seen that they released before, like the SUVs, they're a little bit like they weren't that thought style-wise. This is the best style we've seen for a while.
Yeah.
So,
nice. I like it.
well, you're welcome for
right.
allowing me to come over and send it to you. Is my outfit? What
Yeah,
do you-
I'm not sure about the coat. Let's not go out together.
We had a few looks, didn't we, when we parked up at Silverstone Circuit?
You did.
But anyway, if you like the video, guys, you know what to do. Do you want to do this bit? Just be like, you just say get subbed. Pew.
Get subbed.
Don't say the pew. Just say get subbed.
Get subbed.
That's right. Throw us a
We'll
like.
see you on the next one.
I'll see you on the next one, and I'll do a proper full review. But you know, the thoughts of an older individual of what they think on the MG4. Let us know your thoughts down below. See you on the next one.
Down below.
What do you mean? Yeah, because the comments are down below.
Oh, I see.
What do you think I'm talking about?
I don't know.
What do you think? What's funny?
What?
When I say what? Let us know down below.
Yeah, it's fine. Everything's fine down below.